Okay, guess what I picked up at the thrift store today? I got one of these secretary shelves. These are old school. Got it for $5. It's a pink tag, so I think it was 30% off. And I love these things. This is a 14-inch wide one. They hold these flambeau boxes. These flambeau boxes are about $4 to $5 a piece. I think they were at $4.88 at Walmart today. But you can see I got other stuff in here. I got one with my pop rivet kit. I got one with small fasteners. I got another one of these shelves in the shop too. The one thing, it doesn't really hold, the bottom shelf doesn't really hold a box too well. It kind of does. Anyway, I like the flambeau. Let me show you the label here better. This is a flambeau Z-Rust Tuftainer. The Z-Rust, it has these blue dividers inside, and they're treated with something that helps avoid rust. So anyway, this is one that holds legal paper, 14-inch paper. They make a shorter one that's 11 inches. And I believe Flambeau makes an 11-inch box also, utility box. So next time you're down at the thrift store, you see one of these things, pick it up. Head over to Amazon or Walmart or wherever they sell these boxes, and you got a real nifty, quick way to store stuff. I have other stuff in some of these boxes. Let's see what's in my other box here. This is hitch pins and wing nuts. And I got another box here. It's got, what do I got in here? I got some more, got cotter pins and some more hitch pins. One thing I like about the Flambeau boxes, they don't have a handle here. I've seen a lot of them have a handle in this section, and to me that just takes up space that you can put stuff in. I don't think a handle is really necessary. So anyway, there you have it, a real quick way to get some good storage. I like it better than those little tiny storage drawers where you pull out the little drawers and they're made out of cheap plastic that breaks. These Flambeau boxes are pretty tough. And you can see I'm putting a lot of weight on this shelves, and it's steady. It's hanging in there. And now that's my second one. I got another one elsewhere here in the shop. So anyway, follow that under I wish I'd have thought of that. And next time you're at the thrift store, you're going to find one of these and you're going to go, ooh, I got one now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash like. And if you like my channel, hit subscribe. And we'll talk to you on the next video. Okay, I just showed you the 14-inch wide tray. Let's see if we can get this thing focused. There it goes. This is an 11-inch one I have inside a cabinet here. And here's the smaller Flambeau Tuftainer tray. So it makes 11-inch wide, and they make that 14-inch wide. These things are awesome.